Amara Jivana sada pape rata nahi ko punnera lesh. This is a song sung by Bhakti Thakur in Vaishnava humbleness. The Vaishnava is always meek and humble. So he is describing the life of the people in general, taking himself to be one of them. The people in general are like the description given here. He says that my life is always engaged in sinful activities. And if you try to find out, you will not find even a trace of pious activities, only full of sinful activities. And I am always inclined to give trouble to other living entities. That is my business. I want to see that others are suffering and I enjoy. Nija sukha lagi pape nahi dori. For my personal sense gratification, I do not care for any sinful activities. That means I accept any kind of sinful activity if it is satisfactory to my senses. Dayahin sarthako. I am not at all merciful and only I see to my personal interest. Parasukhe dukhi. As such, when others are suffering, I become very happy. And always talking lies, sada mithavas. Even for ordinary things, I am accustomed to speak lies. Para dukkha sukhaka. And if one is suffering, that is very pleasant to me. Asesha kamana ridimajamo. I have got lots of desire within my heart, and I am always angry and falsely prestigious, always puffed up with false pride. Madamatta sada vishaya mohita. I am captivated in subject matters of sense gratification and almost I am crazy. Hinsha Garbha Vibhushan. My ornaments are enviousness and false pride. Nidralasya hata sukarji virot. I am subdued or I am conquered by sleep and laziness. Sukarji virot. And I am always averse to pious activities. Akarji ujjogyami, and I am very enthusiastic to perform impious activities. Pratishtha lagiya sartha achan. I always cheat others for my prestige. Lobo hato sada kami. I am conquered by greediness and always lusty. Ehano dujjan sajana buddhi. So I am so fallen and I have no association of devotees, of aparadhi, offender, niyanta, always. Shubho karya shunno. In my life, there is not a bit of auspicious activities, sada narthamana, and my mind is always attracted by something mischievous. Nana dukkhe jara jara. Therefore, at the fag end of my life, I am almost invaried by all such sufferings. Bharthakya ekhon upaya bihin. In my old age, I have no other alternative now. Tate dina akinchan. Therefore, by force, I have now become very humble and meek. Bhakti Vinod Prabhura Charane. Thus Bhakti Vinod Thakur is offering his statement of life's activities at the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord.